Inkantolo ephakame ePitoli iNorth Gauteng iyalele ukuba kumiswe amalungu ombutho wezokuvikela nawamaphoyisa omkhandlu anindeka ezinsolweni zokubulawa ngesihluku kuka Collins Khosa. UKhosa kusolwa ukuthi washaywa ngamalungu eSANDF khathi eqinisekisa ukuhlonishwa kwemithetho ye-lockdown eAlexandra eGoli ngenyanga edlule. Inkantolo ibugxeka kakhulu ke ubuholi bombutho wezokuvikela nawamaphoyisa ngokwehluleka kwawo ukukhipha imiyalelo efanele mayelana nokuqinisekisa ukuthotshelwa kwemithetho ye-lockdown.
Isinqumo senkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli sivune umndeni wakwaKhosa. Lo mndeni wanikela enkantolo kuyokhononda malungana nendlela iziphathimandla ze-SANDF ezisingatha ngayo lolu daba.
Within 5 days, pending the outcome of disciplinary proceedings, place on precautionary suspension on full pay all members of the SANDF who were present at or adjacent to 3885 Moketsi Street, Far East Bank, Alexandra, Johannesburg on 10 April 2020. 3.2. Within 2 days, command all members of the SANDF, SAPS and any MPD to adhere to the absolute prohibition on torture and cruel and inhuman or degrading treatment or punishment, and to apply only the minimum force that is reasonable to enforce the law.
Lesigameko sithinta umndeni wakwaKhosa saholela ekutheni umphakathi uvungame. Amasosha asolwa ngokusebenzisa isandla sensimbi.
The suspension of the soldiers and the JMPD officers that were involved is imperative. You cannot have the soldiers that killed Collins Khosa with those same guns walking on the streets, carrying on as if nothing happened. The JMPD officers that stood by watching Collins being killed cannot be on the streets just doing what they do. I'm glad that they've been suspended and a proper investigation can now follow.
Inkantolo ithena kuba izwe lingaphansi kwemithetho ye-lockdown kodwa umgomo wokuhlonishwa kwamalungelo abantu usamile. Inkantolo iphinde yanqoma ukuba ubuholi be-SANDF kanye ne-SAPS buyalela amalungu abo ukuba ahlonipha amalungelo abantu kungenjalo azothweswa amacala.